Nordea published today the economic forecast, and the key message from the forecast for Estonia is that our key trade partner, euro area, will face slower growth. We have reduced euro area growth by 0.4% for current and also next year. And given that the global economy will show slower growth and we have higher geopolitical risks, also the Scandinavian countries will be affected. And that implies that Estonian exports will show very moderate recovery, and we expect the recovery to speed up as from the end of next year. The Russian-Ukraine crisis is definitely a big risk for the Estonian economy and also Estonian trade partners. And the 6th of August sanctions imposed for the food articles itself has a very small impact on the economy. The impact is 0.5% of exports. However, the geopolitical risks has potential to increase uncertainty and weight on companies' investments and also on export demand. So the indirect effects and also the effects through the confidence count more. However, Estonia, the importance of Russia has decreased over the years. Exports to Russia are down for the first half, -6%, which is less than euro area exports to Russia. As of May, euro exports to Russia are down by close to 17% year on year. What is driving growth in Estonia is private consumption, and we miss contribution from investments and exports. Nevertheless, comparing Estonia to other EU countries, and we today experience higher industrial production growth in Estonia compared to our neighbors. Industrial production is growing today on average during the first 7 months 3%, 3.5% in second quarter, which reflects that Estonia still has its growth engine, but what we miss is foreign export demand. Looking forward to the future, we expect that as a global confidence will start to improve next year, we will get more supportive global economy, which will affect our key trading partners, notably the Scandinavian economies. And we expect that Estonian exports now, which will be postponed, will start to show again growth in the second half of next year, and slight contribution from investments. So going forward, we have realized that the unemployment reduction trend will continue. We also can today state that Estonian consumer confidence has stayed at a high level, which reflects ongoing real wage growth and stable level of unemployment. Clearly, difficult economic environment weighs on the key sector, which is manufacturing for Estonia. About 68% of manufacturing is related to exports. For the first 7 months of the year, Estonian manufacturing is up 3% compared to last year. And for the second quarter, the growth is 3.5%. What are the key challenges for Estonia going forward? Definitely is in order to attract new capital and investment, which is difficult in today's uncertain environment. We need more foreign direct investment, and we need also to attract talents to Estonia. So the long-term challenge is to be attractive for foreign investors. We can't do much about our export sectors, But once the global economy will recover, we see it in the US and in also in UK that the underlying trend is quite favorable. So we lack just the growth in euro area, which we expect to improve next and a year after.